Hello dear students. In the previous class we learned to construct quadrilaterals when two adjacent sides and three angles are given. Now today we are going to construct quadrilaterals when three sides and two included angles are given. Included angles mean between the given two or three sides the angles will be there. Okay. Now let us see one example. Construct ABCD, quadrilateral ABCD with AB 4 cm. So first of all, let us just draw the diagram, rough diagram, and mark it. While reading the question itself, we can draw the rough diagram. A, B, C, D. AB 4 cm, BC 5 cm and CD 6.5 cm, and two angles, angle B 105 degree and angle C 80 degree. Now let us see how to construct it. Now first of all, what we have to do, any one baseline, that is for out of this three you can take any one, but the easiest thing is to take this because both the angles on this line are available. So let us draw first BC 5 cm. Now please pay attention how is it drawn. What we have to do is, see, keep the scale, take 5 cm, here it is 0 and here it is 5. So take 5 cm and draw a line. Okay. Since some children said that the pictures, the diagrams are not clear, I am trying to overdraw it. Actually you are not supposed to overdraw. So first draw the line segment, side BC 5 cm. So whenever you draw the line segment, mark it and write the measurement. Now we have to prepare angle B 105 degree. So I have taught you how to make 105 degree. Yesterday also we learned. If you forgot, you can think 105 is, what is 105? How do you get? 90 plus 15. So first keep the compass, pointer of the compass here on B and draw a big arc. Okay, I hope you can see it clearly now. After that, take the same measure from this point. See, this is the point where you have to keep. Hope you can see it once, and from that point, that is wherever it has got intersected, from that point again you draw a big arc. What I did, keep the pointer here and draw a big arc. Okay. So first we have to make 90 degree. Here it is 60 degree, this is 120 degree. So from here 60 and 120, when you bisect it will be 30. So 60 plus 30 will be 90. So bisect it. Then if you wish, you can make a dotted line. The dotted line is made to get the point of reference. Now you see, till this it is 90 degree. 90 to 120. This angle is 30 degree. So when you bisect that angle, how to bisect? You check, keep it here. This arc is already there. Okay. Now wherever the arc has met 90 degree here, cut another arc. Okay. So you got 105 degree. So when you get 105 degree line, you make little longer one. So this angle is 105 degree. Now on C we have to make, on C we have to make 80 degree. 80 degree we cannot make with compass. So what we will do, keep the, see here, the baseline, this line is called the baseline along the given line. Center point exactly below 90 degree should be on the end point, and then count from where the line goes. So here is the line. So here 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. After getting that point, join C to that point. Again draw little longer line so that it will be easy to cut. Okay. Now what do we have to see? See here, from B to C it is 5, A to B it is 4 centimeter, and C to D 6.5. So C to D, if you take 6.5, see here, first on the compass you take, this is 6.5, exactly 6.5. See here, this point is 6.5, and first you have to keep on 0 and 6.5. So from C cut one arc. So this is D. Now B to A it is 4 centimeter. So take 4 centimeter, keep on 0, and this point, see here it is 0, keep this point on 4, and from B to A is 4 centimeter. See, keep the pointer on B and cut an arc. So wherever they met, this point to join to D. So you got the point A here. So AB is 4 centimeter. What did I do? If it was not clear, you see here, from here to cut an arc first, and then using the scale we joined it, and then to write here 4 centimeter, here it is already written 5 centimeter. This is angle C 80 degree, and C to D it is 6.5 centimeter. So your ABCD is ready. Now let us work out exercise 4.4. The first question is, construct a quadrilateral DEARDR with the measurements given here. DE is equal to 4 centimeter, EA 5 centimeter, AR 4.5 centimeter, angle A 90 degree and angle E 60 degree. So always it is better to draw the side which has got both the angles. It will be easy for you. So first thing is to draw AE. How many centimeter? 5 centimeter. I hope you can see the scale clearly. Here you keep, take 5 centimeter. Here is 0 and here is 5. Join them. Okay, mark it E A. How many centimeters? 5 centimeter. And on E you need to make 60 degree. For making 60 degree, take the compass, put the pointer on E and cut an arc. For 60 it is the easiest angle. Okay, once you cut, wherever the arc met this line, take from there the same distance and cut or draw, see here, another arc. Did you understand where to keep? On this point to keep the pointer and the same distance to take and draw arc. So here you got angle of 60 degree. So E to join to the point where you got 60 degree. Got it? Now on this point A we need to make 90 degree angle. So you know how to make 90 degree. For making 90 degree, take any distance, keep the pointer on A and draw any arc, little bigger. I am overdrawing it so that the picture will be clear to you. Same distance to keep and take from here wherever the arc met. So once to draw, second arc should be drawn little longer. See, longer one. Again the same distance from this point wherever the arcs met and join it. So you get how many degrees? 90 degree. So this point to join to A. So you got 90 degree. So this angle is 60 degree and this angle is 90 degree. Whenever it is 90 degree, we usually put this square. And then now we have EA. AR is 4.5 centimeter. So keep the scale, take 4.5. Taken 4.5 and from A cut an arc. Wherever you got the point, mark it as R. And from E to find D, it is 4 centimeter. So take 4 centimeter and from E to D, this point is D. So R and D you join. So you got here ED 4 centimeter. All the measurements AR 4.5 centimeter. And your figure is ready. See, in all the figures, after drawing the figure, I may not repeat in every question. You need to write the steps for construction yourself. Now, the next question is construct quadrilateral true TRUE with TR 3.5 centimeter, angle R 75 degree, RU 3 centimeter, angle U 120 degree and UE 4 centimeter. The figure is similar to the one which we did just now. So what is the first step? Always draw the figure, the side which has both the angles. So 3 centimeter. Which side is 3 centimeter? RU. So this point is R and this point is U and this is 3 centimeter. Now on R you need to make, So what did we do? Okay, first of all, draw RU 3 centimeter. After drawing the side, we need to make, why did we draw RU first? Because it has got both the angles, so it is easy for us. So take any measure on the compass and then draw an arc once. So from that point of intersection 2, from there little longer arc to draw 3. Let us draw the third one once again here and draw arc here. Okay. So if you can't see, I'll make it darker. this arc you have drawn, and then from here to take and intersect it. So we get 90 degree first. So with 90 degree, usually what we do, we draw dotted lines. And then 60 and in between 60 and 90, here you have to bisect again. So here one line, this line is already there, so you don't have to draw again. So this point is for 75 degree. Okay, so join 75 degree. So this angle is 75 degree. The next angle is 120. So on U, you need to make 120. How will you make? Keep the pointer on U and draw one long arc. Keep it on U and draw a long arc. Okay. Once you drew the arc, wherever the arc met, take the same distance and cut once. From that point, you cut again. So you get 120 degree. So join that point to U. So we got this angle 120 degree. So both the angles are ready, RU is ready. Now RT is 3.5 centimeter. So take 3.5 centimeter and from R cut one arc. So what is that point? This point is T. And from U, E is 4 centimeter. So take 4 centimeter and from U cut. So that will be E. And then join T to E. Then label all the parts. This is 3 centimeter. Sorry, UE is 4 centimeter. And RT is 3.5 centimeter. So your diagram is ready. So today we learned to construct quadrilateral when 3 sides and 2 included angles are given. You can make your own questions and construct 1 or 2 questions. You try to make yourself and try to construct your own quadrilateral. That's all for today. Thank you.